I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin right away. Lay the lehenga flat, face down, and expose the net from the lining. Pin along the seam to prevent shifting, then snip a tiny opening in a thread space, not into fabric, to access the stitch. Once done, use small scissors to cut only the net threads, following the stitching direction so you avoid the lining and embroidery. Move slowly. You want control, not speed. This preserves seams and keeps the skirt intact. You continue by working in short sections of 3 to 6 inches to keep tension consistent. Insert a seam ripper under the net thread, lift gently, and cut only the net strands. When stitches sit close to embellishment, switch to tweezers to pull cut threads free. Once a thread is removed, smooth the area to prevent puckering and check for hidden backstitches that snap the net to lining. Make sure to breathe, repeat patiently, and reassess frequently. You finish by inspecting the entire hem and seam line, running your fingers to detect missed threads and uneven edges. Once satisfied, make a few discreet hand stitches to secure any weakened spots or reattach minor sections. Use matching thread and tiny stitches to blend in. If a hole appears, apply a narrow fabric backing strip on the wrong side or use a fine patch under embroidery. If puckering occurs, relax stitches slightly and press with a low-heat iron through a cloth. That one fix usually rescues the look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.